Patreon has been constantly improving, so has our Enjoying Art learning community. With this short video, I want to bring you up to speed how to better use our Enjoying Art learning space. Assuming this is your first time, this is your own homepage. And you will see some of the posts from us. It may also seeing some of the posts that you also follow other creators on Patreon. Click on the left-hand side, see my name here, Yong Chen. Enter our community learning space. On the top over here, now you can see home, post, collections, chats, shop, and membership. Let's talk about from the right side toward the left side. The membership is just the place that you're going to modify your own membership on Patreon. You see that your current membership right on the top here. You maybe have more other memberships listed as well. And then you scroll down over here and then you can change your current membership tiers. Let's take a look at the collections. Collection is where you're going to access to all the posts that we posted on Patreon. There's the Learning Center. Inside the Learning Center, click on the first post and you will see this is the link, and one more click. Now you can access inside of the Member Learning Center. Click on Continue. In here, you can access to all the learning libraries here by subject matters or different mediums. And the first one is Drawing After Basics. If your drawing needs to be a continuous improvement, and this is a pretty good library for you to learn different techniques and applications. And when you click on Index, you come back to the main page. Don't forget at the top over here, there's a Drawing and Painting Fundamentals. Click over there. You will be able to see drawing lessons. Those are very good lessons. In this section, you learn how to observe the lines, the shapes, how to use different tools, how to measure, shading. All those are very important. How you see the different values. Okay, under here is this watercolor fundamental area. How to mix color, how to use different basic watercolor techniques. Under here is the basic of acrylics and basic oil painting and basic digital painting and also the perspectives. Let's come back to the collection. In the meeting links here for the member meetings, demonstrations, and so on. Let's come back to the collection. It's a member calendar. So every month we have a new calendar, the day and time for different member club activities. And come back to the collection. Down over here, you will see the community news, the guides, different groups. Your first step in watercolor, very similar to what you just saw in the Member Learning Center. Here you have drawing with graphite pencil, drawing for beginners. You can see how many lessons inside each collection. For example, watercolor still life have 103. Here is watercolor people, children watercolor portrait. More lessons will be added when they are available. Let's take a look at the post. Post is outside of the collection from the most recent to a little bit earlier posts. This one is full video lesson. When you click on the cover, it will start playing. Click on the right icon here. You can view it as the full screen. All the video on our Patreons for members, they are ad-free and a full-length video. And when you get to the bottom of this, click on load and continue viewing. And the top right over here, you can click on to search a post. For example, I want to see any painting has animal, specifically cat. And I just type cat. see all the lessons labeled cat. And you can change that to, for example, I'm going to see the dog painting. That is simple. It may be easier for you to go by the collection, by medium or subject matter, or the member learning center, a lot more organized learning space. Now let's talk about how we're going to communicate. Can I post my work? Can I get feedback? Can I contact? And that is inside the chat space. When I click on chat, because I am a member, I can see all those available. And this one is companions, because I'm not a companion member, so I cannot access to that group. I want to click here for the Chinese Brush Art Club, including the videos, members' artwork from this club activities. If I'm interested in Portrait Club, Watercolor Club, or Observational Sketches Club, I can click over there, access to what other members has been doing, and also seeing the club activities and references. To contact Yong, I just click create a direct message. When I need to return back to my main page, I just need to click on home to return to my home space. If I want to enter back to Yong Chen EnjoyingArt learning space, click on Yong Chen. If you're having any problem finding what you need and any suggestions for our future learning program, reach out to me anytime. I wish you great holidays and a happy new year. Thank you very much for your support and being a member of our community.